Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course has its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And let's see what you can do with pink grapefruit, seafood sausage, wasabi peas, and cream of coconut. Only 20 short minutes for the appetizer round, and the clock starts now.
The first thing I'm thinking about is Bella. Baby, this is for you. Daddy's gonna bring it. I'm gonna do a seared seafood sausage.
I'm thinking, what am I gonna do with this sausage? I'm making a warm salad of seared seafood sausage.
I've done, salad with pink grapefruit before. So I'm gonna make salad with a seared seafood sausage.
You very well want to validate yourself. I'm making a seafood sausage over grits with the coconut.
1 minute on the clock, chefs.
Everything tastes right on. If you got the sweetness inside of the grits, the beurre blanc is dead on.
Plating goes really fast. You wanna get everything on the plate. I think winning today, it would just be kind of the icing on the cake.
20 minutes. You gotta make an appetizer with 4 plates. Bring it. Do it.
10 seconds, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Joe, what have we here?
Today, we have a seared seafood sausage, an arugula salad.
I'm enjoying the sausage. It's seared correctly, it's cooked correctly.
It's a little bit hot, but it's good.
Next up, Chef Alex.
Here we have a warm salad of seared seafood sausage.
The salad part is really good, but the sausage is sort of a misfire for me.
Chef Brigeth.
Today I made seared seafood sausage with a coconut white wine pan jus.
It's just delicious, but it doesn't, to me, belong in an appetizer. It seems a little sweet.
Okay.
And finally, Chef Willie.
Today what you have is a pan-seared seafood sausage atop grits.
I really like the clean presentation here, but I do think the sausage is overcooked.
Okay.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Alex, you've been chopped. Clear your minds, Chef Joe, Chef Brigeth, Chef Willie, and please open your baskets. We have clove liqueur, bistec norteno, butternut squash, and orzo. 30 minutes this time on the countdown clock, starting now.
So I'm making a 5-spice rubbed bistec.
I'm gonna do chili guajillo, clove liqueur marinated, bistec norteno.
I decided to sous vide because I know my competitors probably aren't going to take that same route. I'm trying to watch the clock. I kind of start plating, and then it kind of slips my mind. And I look down, and the orzo is still there. So with 4 minutes left, I drop my orzo. I really want to get the orzo on the plate.
We're gonna have raw orzo.
Wow.
It's time to finish off the plate. I pull the steaks out. I set them on a cutting board. I slice into it. Ooh, that's super rare.
And chefs, we are down to the final minute of the competition. Got to finish those plates.
I think I'm gonna make it. I'm cutting it. Oh my God, I overcooked this thing.
I go with the tongs. I fan the steak out. It's black and blue, it's rare.
Get on the plate.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
Wow.
Chef Brigeth.
I have sous vide and pan-seared the steak infused with clove and rosemary.
I really commend your going the bag route, especially to get the flavor into the protein.
Next up, Chef Willie.
What you have in front of you is a 5-spice rubbed beef steak, top of fried orzo.
I will tell you that the egg with the orzo and the squash is great.
And last entree from Chef Joe.
I did a chili guajillo and clove liqueur marinated bistec norteno.
I think the clove puree and the squash is actually interesting because the squash has enough density to allow the huge, loud screaming of the clove to work together.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Brigette, you've been chopped. Chef Willie, Chef Joe, two chefs from Midtown Atlanta. Who's gonna take this thing?
Whoever's got the best dessert.
It's on.
Right on. Please open your baskets. For your desserts, you are required to use red jalapeños,
You gotta be kidding me.
shortbread cookies, sharon fruit, and cream cheese frosting. 30 minutes to cook the final round. Time starts now.
I'm like, okay, it's roulade time. It's the family recipe. This one's gonna be from my grandmother.
I'm thinking about doing a roll crepe filled with mousse. And the frosting, you give that sweetness to that mousse.
It's very important for me to be creative in the final round.
Hey, easy, Tiger.
We have to bring it to the last round. Oh, that's hot. Go big or go home.
Part of the Napoleon is a saute of the sharon fruit, the raspberry, a little simple one, some orange liqueur for sauce. I put the head of the pepper in there. I blend that up, so it's a nice little bit of heat.
Okay, chefs, 5 minutes left on the clock.
I think my dish needs a little bit of texture, so I do a pine nut brittle to put it on top of the roulade. Stay in there.
And this is your final minute, chefs.
In the final presentation, what I do is a small brunoise of the sharon fruit and the de-seeded jalapeno. Hell yeah, I'm gonna win. Boop, boop.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Willie.
What you have in front of you is a shortbread Napoleon.
What am I supposed to do with this?
I just wanted to remind you all that there's some pepper inside of that thing.
It's nice to tell people there's pepper in it, but don't put anything on the plate that's not edible.
And now we go to Chef Joe.
Today for dessert, I did a roulade that I incorporated some of the jalapenos into the batter.
I love the roulade. It was a great idea. Super creative. You gave us some spicy things all throughout.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Willie, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Joe Rego of Atlanta, that you are the chopped champion. Congratulations.
I can't believe it.
Congratulations.
I never won anything in my life, and this is like, I'm like, wow.
And you got to walk out of here with $10,000.
Which is great. It's gonna help me out a lot. I can see my parents bring my child over. I mean, every round, you know, everything was about my daughter. That's what drives me every day. I want to make my daughter proud every day. I think today I did it.